Hi everyone, this is Tasneem Yim from the Coimbatore Institute of Engineering and Technology. So many of us are using computers, and in that we have seen a small thing called as Intel Core. So what actually Intel Core is? Many of us have this doubt. So Intel Core refers to the company line Intel, where they produce the Intels for computers for business and producers. And this Intel has a series of i3, i7, i5, and i9, which varies based on their performance and their power efficiency as well as the cost. So how does this Intel is created? First of all, they take this silica and they break down into small pieces such that they are formed as a layer, and this layer has only a diameter of 100 mm. And this mm is made so thin that they are very fragile and can break easily. They layer the small flat blocks of CPUs. These CPU cores are passed during testing, and they are categorized into They are categorized according to their performance and the number of defectives. So, based on the highest performance and the least defectives, the i9 is categorized as the highest performance Intel core, and the next i3 and as such is categorized as the most defective i3, i5, i7, and so on. So based on their performance, they are categorized. But the question arises is, do they affect the performance? The answer is no. So you can chill out, guys, because this i3 and i9 has various performance that even the CPU cores with the most number of defectives can be used for many purposes, such as RPCs mostly has this i3 core, and whereas the i9 is used for where CPU or intensive performance is required. So the next time you buy a computer, make sure you know what Intel I is. For more such information, make sure to follow and subscribe with CIET. Until then, this is Tasneem signing off. Bye.